detect now this baby is spitting, this baby crying, but after feed this baby is not crying. Okay. Slowly through this baby's speech. Feeling good, you happy? Yeah. This baby is feeding. You can take care of this baby a lot. But now this baby is trying to feed very well. We're caring a lot the baby. You see this baby, mashallah, very cute baby, very handsome baby. But you see the condition of this baby. This, more nurse will be go to feed this baby. You see this baby? Yeah, of course. This baby is feeling happy because they're feeding a lot. This baby, much feeding, mashallah, hungry. You can start to feed this baby slowly. You can start in the feed. This baby is not wake up, but now we can try to wake up this baby. First prayer, you wake up the baby. Wake up, please. Wake up. Why no, wake up? Please wake up. Return to feed. Please wake up, please. This baby is not wake up. You can try to wake up this baby. Wake up, please. First of all, we can try to wake up this baby. Wake up, please. Wake up. Now this baby is wake up. We can start to feed. This is enough. I think this is not spitting more. This last stage of this is enough. Now this baby is sleeping. Relax the baby. After feed, we can relax the baby. Now the baby relax. This is now this baby is sleeping. You can see, but mashallah, very cute. Handsome baby. This baby is now sleeping. Please sleep, okay? You can try to feed this baby slowly. Very hungry this baby. You can see this baby. You can see the mouth of this baby. Very hungry. This baby very hungry. Continually this baby is spitting. It's very hungry this baby. And this is cute baby. Of this baby, think this baby is very hot. Would feed this baby. Cute baby. You see this baby? Yes, you see. Very cute baby. But trying. First time this baby is feeding, we can try to feed this baby. Slowly feeding this baby. You see this baby? This is really hard for this baby to feed. Yeah, this is enough. I think this is enough to feed this baby. Now we can try to relax. Up to feed, we must try to relax the baby. 15 seconds and 20 seconds we can try to feed. Now this is enough. This baby wants to sleep. Now this baby wants to sleep. This is enough. This is full. The stomach is totally full. This baby wants to sleep.
真的。जी सर। Sí, sí. 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 Sí, suavecito.